Hey guys, so Krista here today. Today I'm going to do a really fast outfit of the day. You kind of saw a little sort of get ready-ish type video. And I want to say thank you to my friend Brett who did that cover video to the song you guys heard. You guys should really go listen to the full version. I'll have it linked down below. It's so awesome. And listen to all, that's not Chris, it's Brett, but it's on Chris's channel, and Chris is amazing too. So you guys should go watch all of these. Anyways, let's get on with the outfit of the day. So I'm wearing these printed leggings that I got from Wetseal. I showed them to you guys in a haul video, and I just figured I'd do a video on how to pair them because I just recently learned how to pair them, and then we'll get on with the what's in my shower part of this video. So okay, so first of all, I have these flower print leggings. You guys can see they're black, and they have this these roses on them. And then I did just a plain gray shirt with a teal under top, and I just decided for this look that it would be better to have a plain shirt, because if you went with any type of printed shirt, they would have clashed. So any type of shirt that would look good, like white, gray, or even this teal color, black would be too much black. So I figured I'd go with this gray, and it also brings more color into the outfit because it's not all like blue and black. So yeah, and I would pair it with a pair of Uggs, but I'm not wearing shoes right now. Okay. The next, I'm just having natural makeup. And then for my lips, you guys saw me do that. I use this Revlon lip butter in the color Sweetheart, which I am in love with. Like, I've been wearing it every day. I love this product so much, so that's what's on my lips right now. And then my hair, so you guys can see, I just pinned a rose in it that I got last year, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's naturally curled. That's how my naturally hair is like when I take a shower, and when I get out, like, it does this. A little bit of scrunching, and then I have a fishtail braid, and I learned how to do this exact hairstyle from Cute Girls Hairstyles. So if you guys haven't seen Cute Girls Hairstyles channel, go check them out. Like, they're awesome. They do all these amazing hair tutorials. Like, I'm pretty much wearing my hair in one of their styles like every single day. Anyway, so that's my outfit of the day. Just a gray t-shirt with these printed leggings, and let's move on to what's in my shower. Okay, so I'm going to close my curtain and then we'll open it. This is my shower curtain. It's the top and the bottom. Sorry, you guys, my toilet. And it's like a Tinkerbell curtain. You guys can see the little outline of Tinkerbell right there. And it's got these cute little flower and butterfly hooks. And it's just a really cute design, and it's girly, it's kind of fun. That's kind of the theme of our bathroom. We have this quote in our bathroom that says, "Laughter is timeless, imagination has no age, and dreams are forever." And that's cute. So anyways, okay, so let's pull open my shower curtain. And we'll start with right here. The products that are right here are this. First is the Suave Professional Sleek collection, and this is in sleek conditioner. I don't really use these two products. My siblings do, and I share a shower with all my siblings, so they use these two products way more than I do. Now the next three things are my products, and they are what I use. So the first thing here is this Hydrating Tea Treatment Oil shampoo, and I love this shampoo. I think it smells so good. It smells like minty, and it works, and it keeps your hair really soft, so I like that. And that's what I use first, so like I'll shampoo my hair with that first. And then I use this Bumble & Bumble Color Minded sulfate-free shampoo, and it's in Keep All Tones True, and it's what's been keeping the red in my hair because I've been using it since then. And then I have a lot of that shampoo left. And then this is the conditioner that goes with it, but sadly I am almost out of the conditioner, so I don't really use it that much. But for my conditioner, I use this brand, which I'll show you in a minute. This is just going in order of how I do my hair, which is Aveda. I think it's Aveda. The Art of Science and Pure Flower and Plant Essences Smooth Infusion Conditioner. I love this stuff. It smells so good. It smells like ginger, and it's just really nice. So anyways, I have the Suave products, the Tea Tree, the Bumble products, and then I have my razor. I don't remember, it's Intuition, the smooth one. I love these razors, like amazing razors. And then we go over here, and first thing we have is this Trader Joe's Refresh Citrus Body Wash with vitamin C in it. And I use this when I don't have a lotion or body spray to match anything, because as you guys know, I've told you like 6 times that my body spray, body wash all have to match. And so, like, if I don't have a lotion specifically that I'm using, that's the body wash I'll use, and I like it because it smells like lemon, and I love lemony scents. And here's my face wash that I showed you guys in my 7 Deadly Sins that I never use, but it's in there anyways, because sometimes when I take a shower in the morning I do, but other than that I don't at all. Okay, next is my Aveda Smooth Infusion Shampoo with the conditioner behind it, and I use these two when I don't have these two. So, and then we have our loofahs right there, which I don't know if you guys want to see. And then next we have a homemade bubble bath that I made. That's this blue one right here. And if you guys haven't seen that video, I have it. It's on my channel. Look for it if you're interested. And then I have, this is my sister's body wash. It's an Avon shower gel, like a kid one. And this is the body wash I use, and I just dropped my shampoo, which is the Avon Naturals body wash. It's the one I've been using since Christmas, and I really like it. It matches my lotion and body spray that I have. So, yeah, and that's all I really have in my shower. My shower is pretty plain. So, yeah, but that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned. Thank you all for watching. Love you all. Bye.